Hi, my name is John Lange. I'm going to welcome you to my video today. Today we're going to be talking about a subject that a lot of people may not want to talk about because they're a little bit of ashamed of it. They're maybe a little disappointed because this has happened to them. Well, let me just tell you, you're not alone. Many people have the same problem. And what's this problem? Well, we'll show you right now. As you can see from the title of the book I've got in front of me, it's credit. Not just people who are trying to establish it, but more importantly, people who have had good credit that's turned bad. And that's what this little book is about. This book talks about this couple, as you can see from here, that they use this book to take control of their finances and their credit. And what they do is they put it into this wonderful book that could help you as well. So the best thing I can do is just take you inside and we'll show you about this book. Okay, the best place to go would be the table of contents. This way here you can see what's exactly in this book. All right, so starting on the left-hand side of the screen, we have the introduction, some important notes. You can meet the team. Once you get through that, you can get started. First thing you want to do, like I said earlier, get your credit report. Once you know what's in your credit report, then you can start to see if you have inquiries. Inquiry simply means somebody or some company has made an inquiry about your credit. Shows you how to get them off. On the right-hand side, we have Chapter 3. Chapter 2 is below, of course. Chapter 3 goes into public records, which is, as you can see, liens, bankruptcies. It shows you exactly how to get them off and the letters you use as well. Inaccuracies on your credit report, the letters. Lawsuits. Advanced credit techniques. All right, so the first one I'm going to show you is right here on the front of the screen here. She contacted whoever that is and got a $453 Sprint bill taken care of. Now collections have stopped. She's got 2 more to go. Here's Barbara. She disputed. She got 1 deleted. Now she's working on the next. Right at the beginning of the book, as I said earlier, be sure to follow the steps. Here's Dolores and her family, and they're showing, this does work. Just hang in there with it. Keep working with it. Here's Angela, 24 days in, and she's already had TransUnion go up 62, Equifax up 42, and Experian up 47, which is great. It sounds like she's still going to be doing more, but anything in the 500s is not good, guys. She's on her way up, and that's good. So, I mean, she's still got a little bit to work on, but she's going in the right direction. Here's Chris. He's up 36 points as of when he did this, 750. So he's on his way up. The last one I want to show you is the one in front of the screen right now. What you see here is the scores of the gentleman or the person who introduced me to the book. As you can see on the left side, the before is Experian 582, TransUnion, and Equifax. And going across the top there, you can see 80 up on Experian, a little over 100 on Equifax, and another 80 up on Experian. He's doing good. He is up out of the 500s and into the 600s, and he's continuing to do it. Now, I will say this: the person who did it in 24 days, that's not bad, but more than likely it's going to probably take 30 to 90. Could take 30 to 90 days to do it because number one, you're mailing everything out. You got to get everything mailed to them, and they're not going to take care of it, obviously, day one when they get it. So, I mean, you got to give them a certain amount of time to get it off and then get back to you. If you have to write a second letter or a third letter, that's going to take time. But the best thing to do is order the book, get started, and that way 90 days is going to go by no matter what. But the next 90 days, you could be cleaning up your credit. Now, let me close with this. 1, you do get the hard copy of the book that is mailed to you, but to get you started quicker, they will send you a site that you can get started quicker with videos. You can download the book, and that way there you can get started right away. 2, if you're a little nervous about this, well, let me take the nerves out of your way. 1, we do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, where that way if you send it back within the first 30 days of your purchase, you get your money back. 2, we offer a double your money 90-day program, where after 90 days, if your credit didn't go up, there's some steps that you have to do to get the money back, but you can still get your money back. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And the last thing I want to say is this. Once you click on the link below the video, you'll be taken to the order page. But before you do the order, there's a wonderful video of a gentleman who has nothing to do with the book. He read the book, and he's very positive about the book, and he talks about it with Larry King. So, once again, get started today. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain, but higher credit scores. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.